Yo, what's up everybody? It's 2025. We're living in the future and things are getting seriously interesting. AI tools are changing how we work, create and relax. Make jaw-dropping art, write better content and automate tedious tasks. Whether you're an artist, entrepreneur or tech enthusiast, this video is your guide to the AI revolution. So buckle up, smash that like button and let's explore the future together. Meet DALL-E and Midjourney, top players in AI art. Type what you want and they create it. Photorealistic images, abstract art, even Da Vinci-level designs. Can't draw? No problem. Create stunning visuals, custom graphics and unique illustrations. The only limit is your imagination. Ever walk out of a meeting feeling like you just ran a mental marathon? Yeah, been there. But guess what? Fireflies.ai is here to save the day. This AI-powered tool takes meticulous notes and understands your conversations. It identifies key takeaways, highlights action items, and creates summaries. No more frantic note-taking, just pure productivity. Alright, let's talk content creation. First up, we've got Copy.ai, your AI-powered writing assistant. This tool can help you generate catchy headlines, write compelling product descriptions, and even draft entire blog posts. And if you're into podcasts or video editing, Descript is an absolute game changer. This tool uses AI to transcribe your audio and video, making it ridiculously easy to edit. With Copy.ai and Descript, you can focus on the creative side of content creation, while AI takes care of the heavy lifting. Chapter 4. Synthesia and Mirth. The future of video creation. Synthesia and Mirth are changing the game when it comes to video creation. With Synthesia, you can generate lifelike avatars that can deliver your message with perfect lip sync in multiple languages. It's like having a team of virtual presenters at your fingertips. And if you need voiceovers, Mirth is your go-to tool. No more expensive studio time, no more scheduling nightmares, just pure, efficient video creation. Chapter 5. ChatGPT and Claude, the ultimate brainstorming buddies. Ever feel stuck on a problem or need a fresh perspective? Meet ChatGPT and Claude, your AI brainstorming partners. ChatGPT from OpenAI offers thoughtful, informative responses. Ask it anything, literally anything. Claude, from Anthropic, is known for safety and ease. These tools offer limitless knowledge and creativity. Chapter 6. Hootsuite AI, your social media command center. If you're managing social media, you know it can feel like a full-time job. But with Hootsuite AI, you can automate your social media game and free up valuable time. We're talking scheduling posts, tracking performance, and even engaging with your audience, all on autopilot. Say goodbye to social media overwhelm and hello to a more efficient and effective strategy. Chapter 7. GitHub Copilot, the AI pair programmer you always wanted. For all you coders out there, GitHub Copilot is about to become your new best friend. This AI-powered tool is like having a coding buddy who can anticipate your next move. It can suggest code snippets, complete lines of code, and even generate entire functions based on your comments. Whether you're a seasoned pro or just starting out, GitHub Copilot can help you take your coding skills to the next level. Chapter 8. Stable Diffusion, unleash your inner digital artist. Alright, let's talk about Stable Diffusion, an AI tool that's making waves in the world of digital art and design. This open source model is all about turning your text prompts into incredible high-resolution images. The level of detail and realism that Stable Diffusion can achieve is mind-blowing. Because it's open source, you can even tweak and train the model yourself to create even more unique and personalized results. Chapter 9. Digital Voice Assistants, your AI Butlers. We're talking about a new generation of digital voice assistants that are smarter, more integrated, and more capable than ever before. Think Alexa, Siri, and Google Assistant, but on steroids. These AI-powered assistants are becoming the central hub for our digital lives, helping us manage our calendars, control our smart homes, and even stay connected with friends and family. Chapter 10. ChatSonic, the AI that talks back, in a good way. Let's face it, customer service can sometimes feel like talking to a brick wall. But ChatSonic is here to change that. This conversational AI platform is like having an army of super friendly and helpful support agents available 24/7. Say goodbye to frustrating customer service experiences and hello to a new era of seamless and satisfying interactions. Chapter 11. Designs.ai-Design like a pro, even if you're not. Ever wish you could create stunning graphics, logos, and videos without needing a design degree? Well, with Designs.ai, your wish is granted. This AI-powered design platform is like having a full-fledged design studio at your fingertips. Designs.ai makes it easy for anyone to create visually appealing content that stands out from the crowd. Chapter 12. Hypotenuse, AI content marketing on autopilot. Content marketing is key, but it can also be a major time suck. That's where Hypotenuse AI comes in to save the day. This AI-powered platform can help you generate high-quality marketing copy in seconds. Whether you're running an e-commerce store, a blog, or a social media campaign, Hypotenuse AI can help you create content that converts. Chapter 13. Quantum AI, the next frontier. Quantum computing is already making waves, and its impact on AI is going to be huge. We're talking about solving problems that are impossible for even the most powerful classical computers today. Imagine AI algorithms that can sift through massive datasets at lightning speed, uncovering insights that would have otherwise remained hidden. Quantum AI is still in its early stages, but its potential is nothing short of revolutionary. Chapter 14. Responsible AI, building a better future. As AI becomes more powerful, it's more important than ever to ensure that it's developed and used responsibly. We're talking about addressing issues like bias in algorithms, ensuring data privacy, and promoting transparency in AI systems. It's about building a future where AI empowers humanity, not replaces it. Chapter 15. Evolving regulations, navigating the AI landscape. The rapid pace of AI development has led to a complex and constantly evolving regulatory landscape. Governments around the world are grappling with how to regulate AI without stifling innovation. It's about finding the right balance between fostering innovation and protecting the public interest. Chapter 16. Synthesia, marketing like never before. Remember Synthesia from earlier? Well, it's not just for creating cool videos. It's a marketing powerhouse. Imagine personalizing your marketing messages at scale, creating videos that speak directly to your target audience. It's about taking your marketing to the next level by leveraging the power of AI-generated video. Generative video is about to change the way we tell stories. This cutting-edge technology uses AI to create videos that are not only visually stunning, but also incredibly engaging. Generative video has the potential to revolutionize the entertainment industry, opening up new avenues for creativity and storytelling. Imagine a world where your tools work smarter, not harder. That's the promise of augmented working, where AI seamlessly integrates with our daily tasks to enhance our productivity. Picture augmented reality glasses that overlay real-time data onto your workspace, providing instant insights and guidance. Augmented working is about using AI to free us from tedious tasks, allowing us to focus on what truly matters: creativity, innovation, and problem-solving. As our digital world becomes increasingly interconnected, cybersecurity threats are growing in sophistication and frequency. That's where AI is stepping up to the plate, providing a powerful line of defense against cyber attacks. AI-powered security systems can analyze massive amounts of data in real time, identifying and neutralizing threats before they can cause any damage. AI is becoming an indispensable tool in the fight against cybercrime, helping to keep our data, our privacy, and our digital lives safe. AI is transforming the landscape of defense and security, with far-reaching implications for the future of warfare. We're talking about autonomous drones, AI-powered surveillance systems, and even predictive analytics that can anticipate potential conflicts. It's a rapidly evolving field with the potential to reshape the way we think about defense and security in the 21st century. So there you have it. 20 AI tools that are shaping the future right before our eyes. From boosting creativity to enhancing productivity and even tackling global challenges, AI is transforming the way we live, work, and interact with the world around us. Which tool are you most excited about? Drop your thoughts in the comments. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon to stay updated with the latest in AI. Let's shape the future together.